Mayong adlaw sa tanan Little Fam. This is Klein, yung admin sa Little Faith, and I just arrived at work, and today I just want to share to you something ko padulong diri. I had my music turned on, and isa sa mga lyrics nga ako nadunggan is kining, the more you look, the more you find, or the more you search for it, the more you look for it, the more you'll find it. Those words just resonates with what I am doing today, especially kaning ginatawag nato na kaning grateful everyday challenge nato. Challenge ba ni? Sige, challenge. So sometimes, as I've said earlier, I am quite a pessimistic person na always mapatigbabaw ang mga negative feelings rather than the positive perspectives. But for many days straight, the more I look for things to be thankful, to be grateful of, the more I find it. Perhaps not the exact thing that you're searching for, but very similar kaning naay meaning pareha ato ang ginapangita nimo. So thank you, Lord, for the subtle way that you have been reminding me, no, nga if you just look for it, if you just search for it, no, tagan nimong panahon, you will surely find it, Lil Fam. For today, that's it, Lil Fam. Amping mo, God bless you, and always remember, all it takes is a little faith.